When you need a plumber, it's important to find someone who is highly experienced and licensed. A licensed plumber will not only carry out your plumbing tasks in a professional manner, but will also carry liability insurance that will protect you against any unforeseen damage caused to your property while the work is carried out. As a local licensed plumber, we understand that needing repairs of any kind in your home or office are a burden and can be stressful. So our goal is to relieve as much of that stress as possible by providing a plumbing service that is quick, affordable, and most of all, reliable. You can count on us to provide skilled repairs and maintenance on all your plumbing fixtures, drains, pipes, and sewers. So don't just call any plumber in your time of need. Call us, your local plumbing professionals, at the number below, or visit our website for more details.